Subject Process Equipment Design. Topic Introduction to Codes and Standard. Now, Introduction to Codes and Standard. Standards. There are thousands of standards in use around the world. They covers everything from simplest screw thread to the most complex information technology network. By applying standard, organization can help to ensure that their product and services are consistent, compatible, safe and effective. Today, products are assembled from components made in different countries and are then sold around the world. So standards are more important than ever. Standards affect nearly every product or service we encountered in our daily lives. Just imagine how difficult and dangerous it could be to change a light bulb if there were not standard covering electric safety, voltage and size of the bulb. Now, codes. Codes are collection of laws and rules which provides correct procedure to maintain uniformity and safety. Design codes are a new approach to delivering improved quality development. Design codes have considerable potential to assist and overcoming problems to deliver better quality in more effective and efficient manner. Now, Bureau of India Standard, that is BIS. Bureau of India Standard is a national standard body of India and it is responsible for harmonious development of the activity of standardization and quality certification of goods and for matters connected therewith. BIS, through its core activity of standardization and conformity assessment, has been benefiting the national economy by providing safe, reliable and quality goods, minimizing health hazard to the customer, protecting the environment, promoting exports and imports substitute, controlling over greatly increase of varieties and etc. The standard and certification scheme of BIS, apart from benefiting the customer and industry, also support various public policies, especially in area of product safety, customer protection, food safety, environment protection, building and construction and etc. In recent year, BIS has worked toward specifically addressing various national priorities and other government initiatives like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Digital India, Make in India and ease of doing business through its activity of standardization and certification. In standard development, BIS continues to address issue of technology changes and advancement, climate change, environment and energy conservation, condition of health and safety and facilitation of trades. In the area of conformity assessment, BIS working towards making the process simpler and faster. ASME. ASME is a leading international developer of codes and standards associated with the art, science and practice of the mechanical engineering. Starting in 1914 with the first issuance of its legendary boiler and pressure vessel code. These codes and standards cover a wide variety of topics, including pressure technology, nuclear plants, elevators and escalators, construction, engineering design, standardization and performance testing. Developing and revising ASME codes and standards occurs year around. More than 5,000 dedicated volunteers, engineers, scientists, government officials, and others contribute their technical expertise to protect public safety while reflecting best practices of industry. The result of their effort are being used in over 100 nations. Now, API. API was formed in 1919 as a standard setting organization and is the global leader in covering subject matter expert across segment to establish, maintain and distribute conscious standard for the oil and gas industry. In its first 100 years, API has developed more than 700 standards to enhance operational safety, environmental protection, and sustainability across the industry, especially through this standard being adopted globally. Thank you.